Are you interested in obtaining a pre-designed website similar to this? Our offerings include dropshipping, Amazon FBA integration, affiliate marketing, online courses, and business pages with a selection of over 1,000 themes to cater to your preferences. Alternatively, if you're in need of hosting, plugins, themes, or any assistance in building your initial website, we've got you covered. Feel free to explore mmolearn.com for more information and to inquire about any specifics you require. Furthermore, I'd like to guide you on accessing resources such as Avada and various other plugins and themes without charge. To do so, simply navigate to mmolearn.com and use the search function located in the middle of the page. Alternatively, you can visit the All WordPress Plugins section. Once there, if you input Avada into the search bar, you'll be presented with multiple matching plugins. Choose the one that suits you, and you'll find its description along with a download button situated in the top right corner. Don't forget to complete the free registration process